Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be assembling our Razor Ground Force electric-powered go-kart. This is an easy assembly. It should take you approximately 20 minutes from start to finish. Before we begin the assembly, let's see what's in the box. First, we have our seat. Next, we have the bag with our instruction manual, charger, tools, seatbelt, and hardware. And lastly, we have the ground force itself with the steering wheel. This assembly can be completed in 2 easy steps. Step 1, attaching the steering wheel. And step 2, attaching the seat. You will need the following tools, which are supplied. 2 5mm Allen wrenches. Let's get started on step 1, attaching the steering wheel. Using your 5mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt on the top of the steering column. With the bolt end washer removed, slide the steering wheel onto the steering column. Now reinstall the washer and bolt securing the steering wheel. And that concludes step 1, attaching the steering wheel. Now on to step 2, attaching the seat. For this step, we'll need the supplied bolts and washers, the seat belt, and the seat. Let's start by lining up the holes in the seat with the holes in the frame. With the seat aligned, take your seat belt and line up the holes in the bracket with the holes in the seat. Now take the receiving end of the bolt and insert it through the seatbelt bracket and the seat, and screw in the bolt and washer from the bottom. Do the same thing for the other bolt. Now using our 2 5mm Allen wrenches, tighten the bolts down, inserting one on top and one on bottom. With both these bolts secure, repeat the process on the other side. Tighten them both down with your Allen wrenches. Using the last supplied bolt, insert it into the anchor of the seat belt and secure it to the threads on the back of the seat. And tighten it down using your 5mm Allen wrench. And that concludes step 2, installing the seats. Now before you can get riding, we have to charge the product. The initial charge time is 12 hours even if the light turns green, and recharge time may take up to 12 hours. To charge it, pop open the dust cap on the back of the battery box, plug in the charger, and plug in the other side of the charger into an electrical outlet. Once fully charged, the ground force is now ready to ride. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you found it helpful and informative. But if you are still having any other troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com. See you next time.